was my heart's delight to go to bars and parties and stay out late at night. It was at a bar I met her. I asked her for a dance. She could tell I was a Memphis boy by the way I wore my pants. Don't you know he's a Memphis boy?